Now, this is a story all about how the wheels on my feet got all switched around, and I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there, and tell you how I became the queen. It's Rebel if you dare. Dun 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 dun. In Southern California, born and raised on 8 wheels is how I spent most of my days. Skating out, rolling out, chilling all cool. I skate by some homies and they start to drool. When a couple of guys who were up to no good started bringing blading to my neighborhood. I took off my skates because I got scared. I said, okay, fine, I'll do it. I'll skate as far as I can bear. What's up, everybody? I hope you enjoyed that parody. I'm queergirlstraightskates, and I haven't bladed since I was 10 years old. So today I'm trying these new Impala rollerblades. We'll see how it goes. Oh my gosh. Oh no, I hate this. Oh no. Nope, dislike. I don't want to move, I'm scared. Ah! Oh no. Oh, no. I don't, no. No. What? I can't bend my ankles. Oh. How am I supposed to stop? I hate this. Oh my god. How? I don't, how does this work? This is, I hate this. There you go. See? I feel dangerous. Whoa. You're dragging. So scared. I've been skating for 100 yards and I feel like I've been skating for 8 miles. Yeah, feels like I'm wearing a straight jacket on my feet. Props to you bladers out there. Hey! Ooh. Can I do a 360? What was that? Okay, you think you can do it on hard ground? No. Ooh, that's the movement. That was way better than I thought. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Woo! Trick on. What's up, bladers? What's up, bladers? Fellow bladers, bladies, and gentlemen. Ooh-wee! No. So, if you are a roller skater and you're like, I'm gonna get into blading, here are some things that you may not know. They feel so different than roller skates. Like my whole ankle and my whole foot feels like it's in a straight jacket. Like it's so supportive. It's like tied in there and you can't bend your ankle at all, which is something I'm really used to doing on roller skates. That being said, I was better than I thought I was going to be at rollerblading. Yeah, so it was an adventure. They're much longer and they feel heavier to me than my skates do. So I was definitely like dragging my feet, and for skating for like 5 minutes, I definitely feel like I skated for an hour. My overall thoughts on these skates are, I wish that I had been borrowing a pair that had brakes on them. The regular Impala rollerblades come with brakes, so normally you wouldn't have to worry about that, but I think Pigeon took the brakes off, so thanks, Bridget. So I really feel like they matched my 90s aesthetic for the day, so they were really cute, and I feel like I really pulled off that look. I can thank Impala for that, and besides that, I can thank Bowie for playing a major role in my music video that has no music behind it, and yeah. So that was an adventure. I don't know if I'm gonna become a blader. I think I'll just stick to roller skates. Thanks for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that notification bell. I post every Tuesday and I go live every Sunday. Any roller skating things that you need, you can get it from Planet Roller Skate from helmet to toe stop. You can even get these rollerblades on Planet Roller Skate. And until next time, yo home, smell you later. I feel like... Is that how you drop a beat? I don't know. And scene.